Is a cell phone case by VICSEED, and here it is right here. This is a smartphone case for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what this is for, and the color is an awesome purple. It is clear, as you can see here, crystal clear, and it's got the purple accents all around it. It's polycarbonate, which is super strong, super industrial, drop tested for 10 feet. What's cool about this exact case, what I like about that, it's crystal clear, which I really love very much so, but also has a built-in stand. It is also Magsafe, which is really cool. It's got the stands like you see here, so it's really easy to open, but let me show you how easy it is to install. Once you install this, you get full protection. The best way to install is start from the bottom. This is how I find it, and then work your way up like that there, and it pops right in just like that. And then you got your full protection, and you can see your Apple logo, which is really cool. So any color phone that you have, you gotta see. I mean, you're buying a beautiful phone, you want to see it, right? So that's what's cool about this. So this is crystal clear. This won't tarnish, it won't fade, it won't yellow. I absolutely love it, and you get the full protection. But the secret is right here. I love this opening right here. This case, this kickstand, this opens from 40 degrees to 140 degrees. So you can have vertical videos this way, or if you're doing TikTok videos or whatever you want to do, you can also go that way. Super easy to install, super easy to use. This has been tested 5,000 times, this hinges, so this will not wear out. This is made out of metal. Again, all high quality magnets here, so everything sticks like crazy. This is a great case, and I love the purple. Just to show you one more time, you can access everything super easy. Here's the bottom, here's the sides, and here's the top. And also has perfect coverage for your lens. So definitely love this case, love the color, and most important, I love the protection it offers.